So, this is a pretty exciting unboxing in that my memory chips have finally arrived, and they are DDR4 SODIMM chips, 8GB each, and I intend to install them in my Dell XPS 277760. No, I'm not going to be doing that. In fact, when I am installing them, unfortunately, I'm not going to even be doing a video because it's not something that I'm 100% confident doing on camera at the same time, if you know what I mean. Like, I know I can do it, I can go to follow instructions and all, it's just that, you know what I'm getting at. Like, unless you're an absolute confident pro, then sure, you wouldn't mind doing it. But for my case, since I'm going to be closely following the instruction manual, it wouldn't be a very feasible thing to do. So, okay, right off the bat, we can see all this padding that they added, which is great because these computer components are very sensitive. So, why is the camera being grainy? There we go. I want to see that beautiful 4K detail. Oh. Wow, would you look at that? These are tiny. Well, that's interesting. It says made in the Philippines because online it said made in Korea. Not that it matters, just as long as they actually work and all. I just find it strange that it says that. Yeah, maybe they need to update their online image. Maybe at one point they perhaps were. It's okay. Should I open them up and let you take a close look at them? Okay, maybe. I'm not going to really be manhandling these too much because, as you know, computer components, there is a risk of electromagnetic discharge, so you have to be careful. Let me take this out to the frame for a second. Okay. Alright, so this is them. Let me carefully tilt them. You can see the details. And that is it for this video. I got these from memory.net. Oh yes, you know what, hold on a second. No, that's not it for this video. I need to actually have a word about that, because I've seen some questions from some time ago with people saying, is this website really legit? Are they reputable and all? And yes, they look highly reputable. It ships very fast, I can tell you that. And their major selling point is the fact that they offer some of the best prices for memory chips, and they also warn people that all these other manufacturers that are making so-called memory chips, they don't actually make them. So you see like Dell, Corsair, and all of that. Now some of you already know this, but to those of you that don't, guess what? If you're wondering why those prices are so outrageous, it's because they are. All of these chips combined, I don't remember the exact numbers on top of my head. I think they were about 38 each. So had this been like Corsair or something, this would have like run into thousands, because I remember when I was looking at one 16GB Dell memory chip, it was $300. Yes. At this time, as of August 2020, while I'm recording this particular video, August 27, 2020, yeah, over $300. So I think one 16GB Samsung memory chip was, I forget the exact, I think it was like 68, 69, so there you go. Therefore, by the time I got like 4 of those, it would have been the price of one Dell memory chip, which is something that they don't even make. The only companies that actually legitimately have the semiconductive chips in the factories and all set up properly to make those things, it would be Micron, Samsung, and SK Hynix. So those are the only companies that are actually legitimately making them as is and not just wrapped up. About Crucial is a subsidiary of Micron, so I guess they can kind of be counted. I'm not sure if it's nothing more than just a rebranded Micron. I haven't heavily looked into that, but what I'm saying is just that it's really only Samsung, Hynix, and Micron that's making it. There may have been a fourth, or maybe I'm thinking of hard drives, which is something totally different, but those are the 3 that I can think from the top of my head. And now that has been it for this video.